Okay, so today's lesson is 7.1, measures of central tendency, or another name for central tendency is landmarks. So you might hear the word central tendency or landmarks. But when we're talking about central tendency or landmarks, we mean mean, median, mode, and range. So the definition of mean is the sum of all numbers. Remember, the word sum means addition. Sum of all numbers divided by the number of items in the set, or finding the average. So divided by, so when we're finding the mean, we're finding the average. So what you're going to do is you're going to add up all the numbers, and if there's 5 numbers that you added up, you're going to divide it by 5. Median. Median is the middle value. When the values are set up from least to greatest, it's very important that you know it is always set up least to greatest, and then you're going to find the middle number. Mode means most occurring. Range is a difference. The word difference means subtraction. Difference between the least and the greatest value. So you're going to subtract the greatest value from the least amount. Maximum is the biggest number in the set. Minimum is the smallest number in the set. So you're going to find this direction in your classwork and homework. Okay, so it says find the landmarks of the given data. So when we're talking about landmarks, you have to find the mean, median, mode, range, and the maximum and minimum. So example is number of dogs. Some people have 8 dogs, someone has 6 dogs, someone has 3 dogs, 1 dog, and 3 dogs. Mean. To find the mean, you add up all these numbers. So you have to add up 8 plus 6 plus 3 plus 1 plus 3. Add them up. Well, this here is 10 plus 8 is 18 plus 3, 18, 19, 20, 21 equals 21. So that's the first step. Second step is you just take 21 divided by how many numbers do you have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So you divide it by 5. 5 goes into 21 4 times, which is 20. Subtract, you get a remainder 1. Remember, you have the decimal, bring that decimal straight up, add your 3 zeros, bring down the next 0. 5 goes into 10 twice. So your mean is 4.2, which means it's the average number of dogs in a household is 4.2 dogs. Median. Remember, median is the middle number, but you have to set your numbers, this number right here, from least to greatest. So you start with 1 and listed 3, 3, 6, and 8. I always count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, making sure that you have all your numbers. Then you start from the least number and then cross it out, start from the biggest number. So you always work your way in. Whatever number is left over is your median. So your median number is 3. Mode is the most occurring. So most occurring would be 3 because 3 occurs twice. Range, because range is taking the biggest number minus the smallest number. Since you've already listed it from least to greatest in the median, it's kind of easy to look at. The biggest number is 8 minus the smallest number is 1, so the range is 7. Maximum, the maximum number, which means the biggest number, is 8. Minimum number, which means the smallest number, is 1.